So here's 3 things to consider before your bathroom remodel project. One thing to consider before your next bathroom remodel project is you don't necessarily have to replace the entire vanity in order to get the look that you want. In this particular project, the actual cabinets themselves are going to stay in place. Of course, hardware and things are going to be changed and updated, but the actual top itself is going to be replaced with the new selection. So it doesn't require having to spend the money to replace an entire vanity depending on the look and the layout that you're going for. Another thing to consider before your next bathroom remodel project is in the shower. When it comes to a shower, this current house has a shower insert, and you might be considering a shower insert versus tile. While there's nothing wrong with a shower insert itself, tile gives you lots more options. For example, colors, patterns, and different schemes. And at the same time, tile also has a higher return of investment. And not only installing tile in the shower, you also want to consider how high up do you want to run the tile, and do you want to run the tile potentially across the ceiling. And a lot of that just has to do not with the look, but it has to do with water and moisture management, and can really improve that in your bathroom as well. Another thing to consider when considering your next bathroom remodel project is don't feel limited by the existing space or the existing layout of what your bathroom is. In this particular project, for example, they not only wanted to upgrade and go to a tile shower, but they wanted to add a freestanding tub. Freestanding tubs are very popular right now, and the existing space would make it seem like there's no way that we can fit it inside of here. So working with somebody that's a custom remodeler that's not just limited by the existing space enables us to be able to do that. So if we take a look here, for example, this existing closet is going to get removed, and we're going to take this existing wall right here, we're going to move it over to about here and make the custom shower. That's going to give us enough clearance on this other side so that we can actually install the freestanding tub. So we'll be changing this bathroom out from being the sink, the commode, and a shower, which we call a 3-piece bathroom, into a 4-piece, which will be the sink, commode, shower, and a freestanding tub. So don't feel limited by the space that you currently have.